Today I'm going to talk about some items that you can purchase through Super Hair Pieces to keep your wigs refreshed and ready to wear. They are a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. So right now I'm wearing Rose from Super Hair Pieces. I'm going to start with running warm water, not hot, not cold, just warm water to fill up the sink. So first I'm just going to get Rose all wet. Next I'm going to take a little bit of the shampoo in my hand. I'm going to just rub it in. And now I'm going to rub it all in Rose. Getting all the ends. Oh, it smells so good. And then I'm going to put it back into the sink. Rub it all in so that Rose has received all of the shampoo all within her hair area. Now Rose is all nice and shampooed up. Next we're going to move on to the conditioner. So I've rinsed Rose off and now I'm going to put some of the lovely Wet-N-Wavy conditioner. Now with the conditioner, you don't want to rub it into the roots. You just want to rub it down lengthwise, down the wig piece. And then we're going to just rinse again. Just like that. I'm going to grab a towel. I'm going to just put Rose here and we're just going to wrap her up and just kind of push out that excess water that we get when we rinse our wigs. Just like somebody would do with their regular hair. So Rose is now all washed, all conditioned, smells amazing. Next, you can put your wig on a head and let it air dry. I wouldn't recommend brushing the wig while it's wet. I have this awesome, amazing head that I just purchased also from Super Hair Pieces, which is great. I'm going to show you what happens, which helps me dry my wigs a lot faster. So like I said, you can just put it on a head and let it air dry. But this amazing piece allows me to blow dry my wig and make it dry a lot faster.